I am not a big fan of the term lead tracking software because it can mean so many things. In this video, I will show you 4 types of lead tracking softwares for digital SMBs, and for each category, we'll talk about one tool that can illustrate that specific category. So, the first type are CRM softwares. Inside every single CRM software out there is what we call a sales pipeline, where you can track where your leads are in the sales journey. This is the purest form of lead tracking in my opinion. My AI sales CRM software, breakcold, is capable of a strong lead tracking because the software syncs with your email and LinkedIn conversations, as well as many other tools like your AI note takers or calendar apps. The second type of lead tracking softwares are no-code database softwares. You're probably already familiar with Notion, ClickUp, or Airtable, but you're probably not aware about breakcold. Breakcold is like Google Spreadsheet, but with crazy AI on top. It's the best alternative to Clay AI if you know this software. For example, with breakcold, I'm able to auto-categorize my inbound leads to know if they are qualified for my business. From there, I can push only the qualified ones to my CRM. The third type of lead tracking software are lead generation softwares. With tools like Instantly, Smart Lead, or Lemlist, you can track the status of your leads in your outreach campaigns. Using these tools, you can know which ones are interested out of the office, but also the ones you couldn't reach because, for example, maybe you got into the spam folder or whatever. At breakcold, we integrate with more than 7 lead generation softwares so that you can generate leads with them and close deals with our CRM. The fourth and final type of lead tracking software are data softwares. Although this one is a stretch, you can definitely track leads technically with such software. Some examples are Find Email, Better Contact, or Apollo. By enriching leads with the email, mobile phone, or LinkedIn URL, you're able to better track them and auto-sync what happens on multiple mediums in your CRM. If you like this video, make sure to like, subscribe to that YouTube channel, and try out my AI sales CRM software at breakcold.com that also integrates with 10 data softwares. Peace, bye.